Can you imagine writing a paper for your boss, and then eventually the paper is being read, and the feedback is that it is very poor work done because the sequence is not good, it's full of grammatical mistakes, the vocabulary is not right, and all that. This is where I want to introduce to you a concept called power. So, power um, is actually not the rate of doing work, but it's something more interesting, which is an acronym that is used in making sure that when you write a very good paper. So, the P stands for prepare, O stands for organize, W stands for write, E stands for edit, and R stands for review. So, in writing any form of paper, whether it is an email, a letter, a memo, a report, a book, whatever it is, try to follow this concept. First of all, you prepare by brainstorming ideas to identify what you really need to put together. You're gathering data and information, and you also need to establish during this stage what is the objective of your writing. Who are your audience? Who do you want to read this document that you're going to prepare? You need to organize or prepare all that within this stage. And the next is to organize, which is all about creating a logical sequence for your write up, making sure that the headings flow into each other. And this is what you need to do before you start drafting, right? Or writing your paper. Now, once you organize this logical sequence in your mind, you now start to write. Let it flow. Put the draft down on the page. Now, focus on getting the ideas. Do not focus on perfection at this stage. There will be a lot of vocabulary issues. There will be a lot of what do you call it, grammatical mistakes, and so on and so forth. Don't worry about that. Just write. Just write. When you finish, you come back and check all the vocabulary, you check all the grammar and all that. So at this stage, just let it flow until the end. Once you finish writing, then you come to the stage of what? Editing, where uh, you edit, check for grammar, check for spelling mistakes and the vocabulary errors, what you intended to write, which is not exactly what is there, and then you correct all that. And the final stage, which is R, is to review. This is where you ensure the final piece of your work is actually what you intended. Sometimes the mind is so fast that it's not exactly what the hand puts down. So this is the last opportunity to check and make sure that what you intend for your audience is actually what has been put on the page, by reading through carefully and putting yourself in the shoes of your readers to make sure that whatever that you've written is what was intended. So basically, this is it. Try this out even when you write emails. It's very important. Sometimes you write an email, and after you've sent it, you realize that uh, you've made a lot of grammatical mistakes, or even what do you call it, spelling errors. If you apply this concept, it will help you to avoid some of these common mistakes or common errors that we put in our writing. Thank you very much for watching, and please do share this video.